Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem small factorial. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we need to find the factorial of a given number. For example, n is 5. So how to calculate the factorial? It is like this: 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. Now to solve this question we have many different ways. Like you can do recursion and you can do backtracking. That gets quite complex. So in Python what we can do is we can simply use an inbuilt method factorial. Okay, so we can just directly use an inbuilt method factorial, and to use this method first step would be import math. Okay, that is the library, basically the module from where you can use this function. Okay, so first step is you need to import math module, and then you can just in one line you can calculate the factorial of any number using the inbuilt function. So I hope this is clear to you how we would be solving this question. So let's start. One moment. Okay, now in the school practice section you need to choose difficulty as school, then only the school practice questions would appear. Now you need to find the problem small factorial. Once you find it you need to click on solve. 1 minute. Okay, here is the question. The question is calculate the factorial of a given number n. Okay, so you need to calculate the factorial of a given number n and you need to code over here. Okay, so let's start. First step is importing the math module. Import math. Okay, the next thing is I would code over here and I would just directly call the factorial method. So return factorial and then circular brackets n. Okay, now to check if this is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. Okay, let's wait. There is a compilation error. Let's check it out. Okay, so basically I think I should just be more specific. What do I want to import in math? So I want to import the factorial. Okay, so it would be more specific. Okay, factorial. Now to check I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. There is again a runtime error. Let me check. What is the error? Let me check. Okay, import. So sorry, I need to write from over here, right? So from compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem by clicking on submit. Okay, let's wait. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem small factorial. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.